Camera check. Check, 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 and umbrella. Kyoto day 2. Crazy rainy weather. Straight from the get-go. Maybe. We got up at 5 a.m. today, which is an improvement from 4 a.m. yesterday. But still very, very early. Some light video editing because we had some plans for today, but nothing opens until at least 9, so yeah. Luckily it's not too rainy. Where are we off to first? Subway? Okay, it's very cold. Look how pretty that is. Yeah, right? They're all in the water. Peaceful rain so far. Hopefully it stays that way. I bought this umbrella when I used to work at the retail store at University of Waterloo. I used my employee discount. So I was a cashier. And it's followed me for 6 years. I double majored in music in undergrad, so I had to walk around a lot with my cello on my back. And this umbrella was big enough to hold me and also cover my cello, which did not have a waterproof case. I was thinking how funny it was that the announcements are made in English, then Mandarin, and then Japanese. And we still get lost despite the fact that I know 2 of those languages. Wait until we get to Tokyo. Oh boy.
Yeah, just follow the people.
No cross? Cross here? They have nice suits, but they also all wear sneakers. No photos with a large group. Keep your pet in the carrier. No monopod or tripod, but... Oh. Nice. What a neat ticket. Not really. I'll take a picture with us together though. Is that a chicken at the top? A chicken. What's chicken in? Ji.
In Japanese.
It's the same as Mando?
No, I don't know.
I wish you can catch it on camera, but there's a rooster butt on the side. Imagine living here would be kind of peaceful. They followed us from Canada. Okay. I mean, if we want to see ducks, we can just go to our local pond. Is there historical significance to this castle? Or not castle, the temple? We bought some charms. There's one for good health for pets. I guess I'll show that on camera later. But The other one we bought was avoid bad luck. And also, did you know you can buy happiness for 600 yen? You can buy safe driving for another 600 yen. You know what? Maybe they should buy some more of those safe driving charms so there wouldn't be as much isekais. The reason animes are around is because not enough people buy their 600 yen safe driving charms. Just no more bad luck. And it's also kind of pretty. It was like a golden temple thing. I guess at this point, probably just save health. Well, you're gonna die. Save health. Not quite. Save health. Ah, so close. Well, I guess we'll just have to buy life insurance then. Probably should have wished for more avoid bad luck. I wonder how much income that little bowl generates. I was just thinking how capitalist it was to think that you can buy happiness for 600 yen. Yeah. Okay, hang on. You wanna come here for a sec? I need to bring out some hard money so I can pay down. Okay, fortune machine is working. What do you think it'll say?
I think if it's bad luck, you tie it here. I honestly don't know.
If it's bad luck, you tie it?
Yeah, leave your luck behind. Bad luck.
Okay. Your fortune is quite good. The ice which covered the pond has melted away in the spring sun. The flowers are reflecting their shadows on the water. Just like flowers are in full bloom on a warm spring day, you can get rid of the troubles you've suffered from. Behave yourself and love others and be faithful, and you'll be happier. Business, it's time to sell. You'll get profit. Study, banish worldly thoughts from your mind. Study hard. Speculation, sell it now or you'll lose. Game and match, you will win completely. Love, trust him or her. She is a very good person.
Yeah,
Are you? Removal, the sooner the better. Childbirth, easy. Both a mother and a baby will be well. You better be. Consult a good doctor. You'll be cured. I went to physio recently. Marriage proposal, just keep it secret or there will be some troubles. A little late for that one, don't you think? How do we keep it? We just keep it?
Sure. I actually don't know.
That was a good fortune. That was worth the wait. The spiritual side of Japan. Spices.
Try to find like a place where we can eat a separate. Scallop and tofu for you? There's a lot more scallops.
You got it? It's 1,200, right? Together?
You have 200.
We just stand here and eat it, or is that not good?
One scallop and one tofu.
Okay, I'm hungry now. Yours is not hot?
It is.
It's not hot at all. It's just right. Oh, everything smells so nice. It's just smoked foods everywhere. Is there a cat?
This is what I was meaning by second.
Thank you. Find out as we eat it.
Very traditional. Oh, cat.
Can we stay for 30 minutes?
For what? English?
I say let's just go. We need coffee anyways, right? They sell coffee? Probably. I think you click this button because it says push.
But it says please pay it all. Pay later. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yes. I have two. It's two. Yikes. He's the little guy, isn't he? Hello. Cat stab. He's trying to escape. He gets freaked out. Actually, no, that's because the test Ramsey Opal was done. It's my favorite right there. He's so angry. What a mood. Please do not hit the cat. Oop. Are you gonna smack me away? Oh. You look very angry. What's that? He's so puffy. You were trying to escape earlier. Now you're fighting the other cats. Madison likes it when we like just put it there and then slowly move it away. We try to pounce on it after. Me and I'm the mic. We have an Aslan at home. I like you. You're angry. I would have paid good money if one of these things said, please do not the cat. You should never the cat. You look the most exotic. Hello. Oh, is it your turn? Is it your turn to fight Mr. Grumpy? What happened to your whiskers? Hello. the coupon as well.
ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。
Almost time for me to switch batteries, but sure.